Welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will learn a trading setup that is based on engulfing pattern and ADX. So let's get started. So I have given a name that is engulfing and ADX. The indicator that I am going to use that is only ADX and price action that is engulfing pattern. Chart type candlestick, time frame 5 minutes and it is a buy strategy. So when to buy? When engulfing pattern is formed and at the same time plus di is higher than minus di of adx and adx 14 is higher than 20. So this is our triggering indicator and this is supportive indicator. Now when to sell? Okay, so fix 0.5 percentile and target 1 percentile. Okay, so let's see on a chart. See here we have engulfing pattern. Okay, so last is red candle and next is a green candle. Okay, that's engulfs the red candle. If you don't know what is engulfing pattern, just watch out my video that is engulfing pattern. The link is given below in the description box. At the same time plus di is higher than minus di and your adx is around higher than 20, so that is around 30, so it is higher than 20. So trend is strong, price action perform, and after we have a strong up movement. So let's analyze our technique in a streak. You can follow us on a Twitter that is @charttraders. You can mail us that is chart.traders88@gmail.com. If you have any trading setup and if you want to perform backtest, you can send us. We will perform backtesting and we will send you a result of last 3 months. Response time is 1 week. Now in order to backtest our strategy, I am going to use streak. If you don't know what is streak, just watch out my video introduction to streak and streak parameter. The link is given in a description box. Now I am going to apply on Nifty future 5-minute charts. I want to buy one lot. Okay, when the engulfing is formed and plus di 14 is higher than minus di 14 and also adx 14 is higher than 20. Okay, this is our buy condition. Okay, our exit condition is a 0.5 percentile stop loss and target is 1 percentile. Even you can add exit condition, but right now we are not going to consider any exit condition. Okay, in advance you can see the start time and end time, candlestick and MIS. Just give your name, save and backtest. So now around 15 signals are generated. Out of 15, 10 with 5 loss. Okay, so maximum gain is 7,000, maximum loss is around 3500. Even the max DD is less than 1 percentile. Okay, and the period return is minus 20 percentile, that is from starting from 17 Feb to 16 May, but in this period we are earning plus 4 percentile. If you remove the brokerage, okay, so profit is around 34,000. Even you can see the transaction history. Okay, here SO means MIS exit around 315, entry point EN, SL means stop loss and TP is target. Okay, so we can see on a 12th May around 210 we have entry point, 230 exit point. So around 210 on a 12th May, around 210. Okay, here and 230 that is the exit point, so around here. Okay, so even you can see the different different. Even on 15 May 250 245, that is a 15 May 245. Okay, so at this point engulfing pattern form, and after that we have a 10 to 20 point. Okay, and then came down and MIS exit. Okay, so once engulfing form, on a next candle you can exit, you can get you can do scalping also in this strategy. Okay, so you can play for a small profit. This is 30,000. Okay, in a 3 month with one lot. Okay, if you increase your lot, earning will be good. So this is good strategy. Okay, the accuracy is 66 percentile. Okay, 10 wins out of 15 signals and 5 losses only. Okay, and the max DD is also less than 1 percentile. So it is a good strategy for intraday. Okay, so if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share with others. Even you can see the different trading setup. I have already made a video on a different trading setup and I have already calculated the accuracy of that trading system. So the link is given below in the description box. If you like my video, share with others. Thank you.